Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. And for today's video, we're diving into another powerful tool that will turbocharge your data analysis, the MAX formula. Picture this, you're staring at a spreadsheet filled with numbers. Maybe it sells figures, test scores, or daily temperatures. Now, you're in the quest to find the biggest number in the bunch, the maximum. And that's where the MAX formula comes to the rescue. With just a few simple clicks, you can uncover the largest value in your dataset, helping you to identify the highest score, the hottest temperature, or the biggest expense. But here's the best part. The MAX formula isn't just about finding the biggest number. It's about gaining insights and making informed decisions based on your data. Whether you are new to a spreadsheet or pro, stick around as we explore the MAX formula. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of MAX together.